Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this interesting part. This is simple but not that simple, but it's okay. It's 100 millimeter from here, total 100 millimeter, 15 millimeter high and 65 from here. And radius of this is 12 millimeter from here up, and from there just 15 millimeter radius here and 28 millimeter radius there. So let's start with the base plate. This is a good point to start with. So let's start. New part, draw part. Okay. On the top plane I will draw a sketch, center line rectangle. This 63 by 100. Okay, sorry, this is 63. Okay, let's extrude it up to 15 millimeter as per drawing. Okay, on the right plane I will draw a sketch. I will draw a line from here to there, 12 millimeter, and a line here. Sorry, I have to start for another. Let's make first exit from here. Let's make first a plane of 63 millimeter. Flip side. Yes, this is okay. On this plane I will draw a sketch, normal 2. I will draw a center line from here to there, and this is 35 millimeter from here. I will draw a sketch of 40 millimeter and extrude it up to 28 millimeter, like so. Let's hide this plane, we don't need it anymore. Now this is the time we start from right plane. I will draw a line from here to here, and like so. This line and this point are coincident, and I'll make this. I will draw a sketch, a 3-point arc, center point arc, sorry, from here to here somewhere, and like so. I'll join these, and this is 15 millimeter. Okay, I will draw a line from here to somewhere here, and I will draw a center line from here to here and trim the extra. This is 15 radius and this is 28 radius. The difference is 13 millimeter, so I will offset this 13 millimeter. Okay, this should be this and this. Okay, and this is also. Let me define this 12 millimeter. The sketch is defined. Let me draw a line. And let me offset it. Sorry, offset it 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter is there, like so. I will take this to this line Okay, I will use trim entities tool, extend it and extend this and trim the extra. This is 13 millimeter. Okay, the sketch is fully defined, but there is a line here. Let me convert this line first, and there is a 7 millimeter radius here, as in the drawing you see 7 millimeter radius here. So let me make this radius here, fillet of 7 millimeter from here and here. 7 millimeter, yes. Okay, let me join this and this and trim the extra with this one. I don't need this. The 12 millimeter is gone, so I will give it 12 millimeter. Okay, I will delete this. Is 15 millimeter. This is 28 millimeter as per drawing. It's 13 offset here. There is something wrong. This is not fully defined. There must be some relations I need to. Yes, this and this should be merged. Control Z. This line and this line should be collinear. The sketch is fully defined. Now let's extrude it. This is 40 millimeter from mid plane. 40 millimeter from mid plane. This one. Okay, like so. On the right plane, I will draw another sketch, a 3-point arc from here to there, like so, and give it a dimension of 95 millimeter, like so. I will convert these entities and trim the extra. The sketch is fully defined. Let me extrude it. This is 13 millimeter as per drawing. In the drawing it is not shown. Yes, it is shown 13 millimeter here. So let's, from the mid plane, 13 millimeter, like so. Okay, there are some extrusions here. Let me draw 20 millimeter and give it a dimension of 14 millimeter from here and 14 millimeter from there. Sketch is fully defined. Now let me extrude it up to 3 millimeter. Okay, let me draw a hole in here of 10 millimeter. Okay, let me cut this. Through all. Okay, now I will linear pattern it. I will take this one, reverse direction, this one, this direction is okay. The first is 37 millimeter, 37 from here to here, and 72 millimeter from here to there. So this is 72. and the features are boss extrude and cut extrude, like so. Okay, now it's time for fillets. No, there is a cut here of 30 millimeter. 30. Okay, let me cut it. Flip cut outside 5 millimeter. It is 5 millimeter. Okay, like so. There is a bore of 20 millimeter. And let's cut it up to next, like so. Part is almost complete, only the fillets are left. Let's give it some fillets of 2 millimeter, standard fillets, 2 millimeter. This, and this, and I will go for this and this. Okay, the fillets must be in, there are more fillets here, like so. No, it's not taking this. I will make it later, like so. Okay, now there is only one fillet left, this one fillet, and this. Now this is not taking it. Okay, there is a fillet here, 2 millimeter, but it's not taking this fillet. Cancel it. Let me draw a fillet here. It's not taking it. No, but I think I have to delete this fillet first and then make it. Okay, now fillet this, like so. Fillet, this is not taking this. There is something wrong. Fillet, this is not taking it, so leave it. And there is a fillet here, both sides. Yes, okay. Fillet, yes, now it's taking the fillet. Okay, the part is complete. There is no more fillets required. Everything looks good. Three millimeter height, as I did it. 20 millimeter this extrusion and 14 millimeter from here to center of this, and 14 millimeter from here. So 40 millimeter this was I made, 30 millimeter this cut, and 20 millimeter bore. This is 5 millimeter cut here, 63 millimeter height, 35 from here, and I did it right. This bore is 10 millimeter here, 4 places. Let's give it a finish, some kind of finish. Let me give it a finish. I'll added this finish, added this appearance. It will take all. I think that looks good, looks fine to me. I'm happy with that. There is fillet left here on this area. Fillet this and this. Now the fillets are complete. Part is totally complete. So this was the simple part in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will give it a motion study, animation wizard next, y-axis next, for 6 seconds I think is okay. Finish, and I will run it like so. This is just a show off. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, this exercise, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the description. I will try to answer each and every question you ask. Thanks for watching.